Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set share note as collaborate or send copy on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen or in the app library, open up the Notes app. In here, open up the note that you want to share. So for example, this one right here. And then at the top, tap on the share button. Now at the top here, you can choose to share your note as collaborate or send a copy. When you select send a copy, it will send another copy to that person. So if I share it through a text message, you can see here it will send a copy of the note as a text message. Whereas if you choose collaborate, the people that you invite to share the note will be able to make changes to a single copy. So here I can send it to a contact, and then they will be able to open and make changes with this note. So if they make any changes, the note on your device will also get updated. Whereas if you choose to share as collaborate, then whenever they change a copy on their device, it will not reflect the change on your device. And that is how you can choose to share your note as collaborate or send copy on the iPhone 14 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.